Afterpay promo code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get and redeem the Afterpay promo code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't know, then Afterpay is a buy now pay later, which is BNPL platform that allows customers to purchase items and pay for them in installments over time. Now if you want to use a Afterpay promo code, normally it really depends upon which merchants you're actually trying to buy from. If you're trying to buy from a certain merchant from here, it has to be the promo code of that merchant or from Afterpay. If Afterpay themselves are offering a certain promo code, normally they are going to get automatically applied, so you don't have to do anything, but they will get automatically applied. Otherwise, here are some promo codes. Now one of the first promo codes is treat yourself 30, because new customers can receive $30 off. This code is automatically applied to the account, right? But can also be entered into the promotion screen under my Afterpay. Over here you should be able to find the promotion screen where you would be able to enter the code, which is treat yourself 30. By default it is going to get normally applied, so you don't have to do anything about it. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use Afterpay promo code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.